Hello, I am Prakash. This is the walkthrough of my submission for the Generative AI internship assignment, the Maths Routing Agent. And this project is a fast API based backend service that intelligently answers math based questions. It uses a two-step logic in it. First, it tries to fetch an answer from the local knowledge base provided using a vector similarity. If it fails or it isn't confident, it falls back to the Wikipedia using a tool-based agent over there. So the whole project in this is backend folder. The main.py file is the entry point for my complete project. So in this, it sets up the fast API server and configures the core and defines two API endpoints. One is the one is the ask, where it is. Yeah, here it is. One is the ask and the another one will be the help. The ask API endpoint takes a math question and routes it through an agent defined in the agents folder. So here is the code for the router.py. This agent checks whether the KB is confident enough or not, or else it will go through the Wikipedia. So this is the logic behind the how and what will be decided whether to check the knowledge base or the Wikipedia. So the knowledge base logic lives in the services folder in my project. The vector store.py will have the complete brain of this. You know what? This will be the knowledge store of this project. It uses the Hugging Face sentence transformation embeddings and falsifies for efficient semantic search. Wikipedia summarizes and fetches using the tool defined in the mytools.py. Yeah, in the tools folder. Inside the tools folder, the rules registry.py is a folder which registers the which tool should be used, and the Wikipedia folder to run the Wikipedia if the router.py chooses to run through the Wikipedia. So inside the tools register.py, Wikipedia summarizes and fetches using this tool. There's also an benchmark.py script that sets accuracy of my project, accuracy of the information which is retrieved. So this script tests accuracy on the sample questions by converting expected versus actual answers from the knowledge base and as well as Wikipedia. So all the questions and the answers for the vector store and stored in this data folder, which is nothing but the knowledge base of my project. So these are the pre uh, loaded questions in my knowledge base, and these are the JE mains dataset questions. I just took the three questions for the testing purpose, whether it's taken for the knowledge base or from the Wikipedia. So all the questions and answers for the vector store are stored in this folder. To run this folder, let's test it out how it actually runs or not. So we need to go through this virtual environment which I have created over there. So let's activate it. Yeah, yeah. So we need to redirect to the backend folder and then turn on the Wikipedia and just run this Unicorn project using this command. So it will run, as well as we need to set this port to the public if it's not by default. Make sure it sets to public. Okay, yeah, it's fine now. So the project is running fine as we started server start process. Let's just open in the browser itself. So here is the link. It will be forwarded. We need to type docs at the end, slash docs at the end if it's not rendered to the endpoint. And next, let's test it out whether our project is working or not. So this is the question which is in a KB. Let me show you. Yeah, let's take from this math data set. For example, let's take this question. Yeah, and let's ask for a response. Let's click it on try it out and paste the question over there, and click on execute. We can see that the it given the answer for that question. What is the derivative of the e power x? It gave the perfect answer for that. So it works for the knowledge base, local knowledge based questions. And let's test it out for the JEE questions as well. So for these questions, let's give this equation. Yes. Also, yeah, it gives the perfect answer. Let's give the perfect answer for this. So this is a question which is not in the KB. Let's ask it out. So for this question, which is not in KB, let's execute it out. So it's going through the Wikipedia. Yeah, as you can see, the source is the Wikipedia search tool. It has used from the route. It decided by the router.py in our project as earlier as I explained. So what's the quadratic equation? It went through this page which called elementary algebra or summary, and elementary algebra also known as the high school algebra. Some blah 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 content it has given, and this is the answer for this. So that settles our project is working fine, and the here are some health checks which you can do with my project. And if it's possible, we can give a string as well. Yeah, this settles our project is working fine, and you can see the status of our commands which we have just executed over here, and this will show the status codes whether the execution what you have done in here is working fine or not. So yeah, thank you. That's the project. This project demonstrates how to combine a relative retrieval based question and answer with fallback tools using simple routing logic, and it's a structured cleanly and easy extension in the future. Thank you.